Welcome to Maxi.in, and we were talking about number system. So whenever we are talking of number system, why is it called a system? We discussed that and connect us to Maxi.in for this kind of video in some other time. Now let's talk of the properties of the numbers. So while talking of the properties, very important thing all the time whenever you are given with a topic, a particular number is very important. For example, 7 here is very important because there are 7 number of properties. And to easily remember something, we would rather go for the acronyms than the full name. For example, if I write ID and IN, your brain will exercise more than if I write it as identity and inverse. So, these particular two properties are available for addition as well as for multiplication. So in this case, so these are 4 properties. The other 3 are closer,
commutative, associative.
Commutative and associative. And every time I am trying to write half of the word, or I can say the acronym of the word, so that later on when you say, you will be questioning yourself. What was this? What was this? What was this? Nah, CLOSR. Oh, it was for closer. COMM, communication, common. Oh, it was communicative. ASSO, what was it? Nah, associative. Always leave the words half written so that your brain works for the rest of the. That is that's a brainstorming idea. So we were talking additive inverse, multiplicative inverse, okay, additive inverse, multiplicative inverse, additive identity, multiplicative. Now what is identity? Now it doesn't change the value of the number. So what does not change the value of a number in case of addition?
0.
What does not change the value of the number in case of multiplication?
1.
So they are the additive and multiplicative identities. What brings the result to 0? The reverse of the number. Okay, so in case of addition, what is the reverse of the or inverse of the number?
The negative of it.
So if the number is n, then minus n is the
Additive inverse.
additive identity. Additive inverse.
Inverse.
And if the number is minus n, then
N.
n would be the thing. So what am I doing is that if the number is n, then negative of that number is the inverse, correct? If the number is minus n, okay, then the negative of the given number is the inverse. So it becomes n, correct? So what I mean to say is that we'll be focusing on this. So only writing minus n over here is enough for right now, clear? So am I inversing that one? So negative of a number is the additive inverse. And what is the multiplicative inverse? What brings the result to 1?
The reciprocal.
What brings the number to 1 when multiplied with the original number? So
One
if
by
the
n.
number is n,
1 by
when we multiply with what, so that the result becomes 1 is
One
the multiplicative inverse.
Inverse.
So in that case it is 1
by
reciprocal of the numbers.
Reciprocal.
We should say reciprocal of the number. So that is 1 by n. So simply let me write it down, 1 by n. Correct? So I think you are getting it. So you know these things. So this was a quick way of making you remember the things more better. Now let's focus on 3 particular things. One is the closer, the second is the commutative, and third is the associative. Let me first of all tell you that the closer is talking about one particular number, and communicative is talking about 2 numbers associated with associative property is based on 3 numbers. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Here it may little be confusing. Like sir, closer re to hame dita use korche like 3 plus 5. Okay. Result है गोटे आसुची, but actually I think it should be 2 again. कहीं गलो? तो थाओ देखिए we'll discuss. मैं टिकेट strike out कर छाड़ दूँ because I am not satisfied with my kind of thing right now. Getting what? We obvious, right? Now let's talk of closer. When let's say we are talking of a natural number system, correct? Let's say we are talking of the natural, all the properties of the natural number system. So in that case, if I take 2 numbers and let's say these two are let's say I took 5. Let's say I took a number 5 and I took another number 3. So in that case, these two are natural numbers. So 5 is a natural number and 3 is a natural number. We add them up, we will get 8 and that is a natural number. So this is one conclusion. The second conclusion with 3 numbers are, let's say 3 and 11. These both are natural numbers. So the result is 14, which is a natural number. Natural number means positive number greater than 0. Correct? So any addition we do on any positive number greater than 0 will result us in natural number. So natural number is closed under addition. How do you say? All of you? 3, 2, 1, go.
Natural numbers is addition.
Yes. But similarly, but in case of subtraction, we don't see it. For example, 5 minus 3 may give you 2, which is a natural number. But let's talk of this case. 3 minus 5. 3 is a natural number. 5 is also a natural number, but the result is not.
Not a natural.
Because it is not a natural number, that's why it is not closed. Last time the answer was?
Because it was an
Integer. So we are talking of integer.
Because the result is not
It's
natural.
not a natural number. So we are focusing on natural number only. Okay? Because the result is not a natural number, that's why the subtraction is not
Goes
closed.
under closer property.
But natural number system is not closed under subtraction, but it is closed under
Addition.
Correct. So the word is like that. Correct. The third is, so let's talk of this. Similarly, multiplication is closed, guys, because 3 into 5 makes 15.
And 5
15 into 5 makes a natural number. Okay, but that division is not. Division is not, because let's say 6 by 3 may show that it 2 natural number, but 3 by 6 is not. And can we not write 3 by 6 in natural number system? Yes, this is a natural number. This is a natural number, but the result is not a
natural number.
That is what you should be focusing. Okay, you don't need to calculate the result. You can just write while explaining why it is not. Then you can explain. In the case 3 by 6, 3 is a natural number, 6 is a natural number. But when divided, the result is not a natural number. So division is not closed under. I'm sorry, natural number system is not closed under division. Correct. Back. So we say closer में क्या आता है बेटा? Plus and multiplication is there. But division and दिए नहीं है.
Division and multiplication not there.
नहीं है. तो अब आते हैं कम्युनिकेटिव. कम्युनिकेटिव में क्या होता है ना, सिंपल चीज़ है. ये एक फॉर्मेट है कि अगर A ऑपरेशन B is equal to B ऑपरेशन है ना A, then we say they are commutative. Where let's say A and B both are natural numbers. Guys, this symbol is known as belongs to. So ये है सेट. सेट से बिलोंग कर रहे हैं कौन? ये और ये. क्लास 11 में आपको सेट जो पढ़ोगे तब मिल जाएगा. अभी 10 के अंदर हमारा सेट नहीं है. So A, B are the elements or the numbers which belong to the natural number system. है ना? Let's say 2. Now 2 plus 3 is how much? 5. What is 3 plus 2?
5.
So that means we are getting the same result. A plus B is same as B plus A. So it will happen all the cases. So addition of natural numbers is commutative. But talk of 2 minus 3, how much? Minus 1. Now 3 minus 2?
1.
Now they are not same. So subtraction is not commutative.
Commutative.
Subtraction of natural numbers is not
Not
commutative.
commutative.
Similarly, we can say multiplication is commutative, division is
Not
not.
commutative.
Okay, you can just check it out. Will you be able to?
Yes, sir.
Shall I skip it for now?
Yes.
Yes.
So I'll go to the next one. So we can say कि commutative में वही addition and multiplication are commutative. Hello. When we come to the rational numbers, there we will find that addition, subtraction, multiplication, division all are closed, all are commutative, and mostly all are associative. Okay. So now what is associativity? Associativity is about 3 numbers. Like if we are having 3 numbers to be operated on, and I'm taking the basic operation is addition here. You can take any other subtraction, division. There are 4 types of operations. Okay. So if I add the first 2 numbers, then the Third, will it result to the same value when we do that this way?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That is associative, correct? Associativity is the property, and this is associative
Associative
property or associativity, whatever you say.
Associative.
So let's say 2 plus 3 plus 5 in natural number system, correct? So 2 plus 3 plus 5, how much does it give? Now 2 plus 3, 5
Five.
plus
Five.
5. Whenever you are having bracketing, guys, always write the next steps. Do not show the direct result. For example, here you can get 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 5, that is called 10. यहाँ पे आप 10 नहीं लिखोगे.
Because fastest bracket, you have to operate the bracket,
हाँ.
bracket first.
So that evaluator in the examination sees that कि the child has got a clear understanding of associativity. ठीक है? Bracketing मतलब associativity. Bracketing मतलब precedence. और एक word क्या आता है? Precedence. Precedence का spelling कौन बताएगा? Speak it.
PRESIDENCE.
लिखो कॉपी में क्या बोले. बाबू your answer.
PRESCISITY.
C.
SITY.
जाओ कॉपी में लिखो. मामून. संस्कृत.
PRE
लिखो कॉपी में. तुम बोलोगे नहीं लेट किया, दैट इज रॉन्ग जी. ट्राई कर देना चाहिए ना. तो आश्रित यही करता है, बात बोल देता है, डरता नहीं, गलती करने से नहीं डरता. यू शुड नॉट बी अफ्रेड ऑफ मेकिंग मिस्टेक्स. हु कैन से व्हाट इज द करेक्ट स्पेलिंग राइट नाउ? ऑल ऑफ थ्री यू आर रॉन्ग.
PRESICITY.
ना स्पेल इट आउट. व्हाट यू थिंक, से इट. प्रेसिडेंस डिराइव करो ना. हम लोग तो englishbee.in में स्पेलिंग डेरिवेशन पढ़ते हैं. डेंस डेंस.
DENC
हाँ DENC डेंस होता है यहाँ पे, बिकॉज पार्ट ऑफ द स्पेलिंग है तो DNCE है. और प्रे इज PRE. सो प्री डेंस. प्रे सी की तुम कंफ्यूजन हो रहे हो.
हाँ.
तो सी क्या खाली SE होने से होता है? सी में नहीं आता है. क्योंकि प्रेसिडेंस में तुमने कभी ध्यान नहीं आ रहा है कि उसमें एस नहीं था
प्रेसिडेंट से डिराइव
ना. प्रेसिडेंट से प्रेसिडेंस नहीं आता है. प्रेसिडेंस आता है प्रिसीडिंग से.
प्रिसाइडिंग ऑफ
नो, प्रिसाइडिंग ऑफिसर से भी नहीं आता है. प्रेसिडेंस आता है प्रिसीड से.
प्रेसिडेंट
PRECEDE प्रिसीड. प्रिसीड मतलब पहले. सक्सीड, प्रिसीड, सक्सीड. ओके, वहां से नील. ठीक है. तो प्रेसिडेंस और ये होता है तो PRECEDENSE मतलब SE के जगह CE होना चाहिए. दैट्स ऑल, ओनली दैट इज द केस. करेक्ट. सो ये जो स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक हुआ जिंदगी में कभी नहीं होगा. क्यों बोलो? आप लोगों ने स्पेलिंग डेरिवेशन फॉर्मूला यूज की. प्रे PRE, उधर डेंस DNCE, वही SI है CE है, कंफ्यूजन हो रहा था. फाइनली वी गॉट दैट S नहीं है, C है. दैट इज हाउ वी डू इन englishbee.in. बैक टू आवर डिस्कशन. सो एसोसिएटिविटी क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? हम देख रहे थे लास्ट 2 plus 3 इज इक्वल प्लस 5. ठीक है. तो पहले हमने प्रेसिडेंस के हिसाब से ये प्रेसिडेंस बढ़ गया. तो प्रेसिडेंस बढ़ जाने से हमने क्या किया? प्रायोरिटी बढ़ गया. प्रायोरिटी मतलब प्रायोरिटी बढ़ गया. पहले इनको ऑपरेट करो. सो 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 5. ये वाला स्टेप एकदम लिखो ताकि इवैल्यूएटर बिकम्स हैप्पी अबाउट योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग्स एंड ही और शी विल आल्सो बी एबल टू इजीली अंडरस्टैंड. तो उसको अच्छा लगेगा तो वो बोलेंगे कि अच्छा स्टूडेंट है ना. तो दैट इज ऑल. 5 plus 5 is 10. करेक्ट गाइस. नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग ऑफ एसोसिएटिविटी. पहले 2 और 3 को मिला है. अभी इस केस में क्या करते हैं नेक्स्ट काम कि क्या करते हैं ना, पहले 3 और 5 को ऐड कर देते हैं. करेक्ट. 3 and 5 are added. Okay. Then let's see. So 2 plus 3 plus 5 is
8.
that makes 10. Is it not the same?
Yes, sir.
You can try on other numbers. Okay. Any one case where the property is not satisfied, the total property on the system is not satisfied.
I'm not satisfied.
Only when all the cases are satisfied. तुम बहुत सारे नंबर लेकर ट्राई करोगे, तो बहुत सारे नंबर लेकर ट्राई करोगे तो वर्तमान करना सबको अगर ट्राई करोगे, अगर वो सेटिस्फाई किया प्रॉपर्टी, तब हम बोलते हैं कि द प्रॉपर्टी सेटिस्फाइड ऑन द नंबर. गॉट इट. सो आपको किसी को डिससेटिस्फाई करने के लिए कोई एक केस ले जाने से चलता है. जैसे हमने 2 - 3 ले लिए. तो आ गया नेगेटिव नंबर।
हाँ।
सो 2 - 3 लेके जो नेगेटिव नंबर ले जाने से तो हुआ क्या उस केस में। तो गैस लेट्स अप्लाई एसोसिएटिविटी। सो इस एसोसिएटिविटी को आप एडिशन में काम करता है, अच्छा सब्ट्रैक्शन में काम करता है, नहीं करेगा ना।
नहीं
मैं बताता हूँ एक चीज़, जो प्रॉपर्टीज क्लोजर में नहीं काम किए ना वो एसोसिएटिविटी में नहीं कभी नहीं काम करेगा। जो क्लोज्ड ही नहीं है वो एसोसिएटिव कैसे होगा।
सब्ट्रैक्शन एंड डिवीजन एंड
तो यहाँ पे जैसे एडिशन है तो एसोसिएटिव नहीं होंगे, तो एडिशन एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन एसोसिएटिव में है और सब्ट्रैक्शन डिवीजन एसोसिएटिव नहीं है। दैट्स ऑल। ओके, थैंक यू फॉर ऑल ऑफ दिस एंड इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ।
This is Shreyas Das
Class
from
10.
Class 10 from MathsG.in.
And
This is Ashit Das from Mathsy.in of Class 8.
This is Sanskriti Jana from class 8 from Maths H.
and this is Jeet sir. Thank you all for being a participant of this one. So do check out this video and in the next class we will be having, or in the next video, so प्रॉपर्टी टेस्टिंग के लिए कुछ और रख लेंगे प्रैक्टिकली। सो बाय द वे ये जो वीडियो बनाने का काम मैं नहीं करूँगा, श्रेयस यू आर गोइंग टू गो फॉर द प्रॉपर्टी टेस्टिंग इन इंटीजर्स,
Yes.
यही वाले प्रॉपर्टीज। आश्रित आप करोगे होल नंबर्स में इजीली, संस्कृति आप करोगे बेटा आप करोगे रैशनल नंबर में,
Okay, sir.
और आप करना इंटीजर्स में। होल नंबर आश्रित, इंटीजर्स, संस्कृति एंड रैशनल नंबर, क्योंकि बड़ा क्लास 10 है तो उनको पता है, तो ही विल डू दैट प्रॉपर्टी टेस्टिंग इन रैशनल नंबर्स दिस एंड डू क्रिएट वीडियोस।
Yes.
Okay, and send us, we will be uploading to the mathsg.in YouTube channel. Thank you all. Have a good day.